Vision of the Seas. Today we're going to give you a room tour. This is our room. We're 7088. We have an ocean view, so why don't you come on in? So we have a pull-out couch. It can pull out for a bed that fits 2 people. And then we have one bed that can be 1 bed or 2 beds. It's 2 beds together. Here's our ocean view window. So it's very good for looking out and also very good for kids to sit. We actually prefer this instead of a balcony for kids because you never can fall out. We also have a TV. We also got a desk area. I think we should have cleaned up before we did this. Next time we will. It's pretty messy. So if you need to do your work, my mommy do. So we've got 3 drawers, a cabinet, a refrigerator, and 3 closets. So here's our tiny stateroom bathroom. So we've got 1 toilet and a sink. And we've got just a shower, no bathtub. The shower isn't big, but that's normal for a cruise room. So that was a tour of our ocean view room on Vision of the Seas. Thank you for joining us today. And make sure you check out Baby Gizmo for more videos about Royal Caribbean. See ya!